lost myself in echoes of the past. Walls up high, built to never crash. Every smile felt borrowed, every touch just a ghost. I forgot what real felt like, always alone the most. And if the world goes quiet, if the nights get cold, it's been a long time since someone cared like you. Held me in the light, showed me something true. You pulled me from the shadows, gave me back my fight. I'm learning to love in the warmth of your light. I got scars that run deep, fears I can't shake. Been let down so much, it's hard to stay awake. But you pulled me from the wreckage, showed me something pure. Made me believe in a love that's steady. And you taught me to stand, to trust, to be free. It's been a long time since someone cared like you. Held me in a